Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna talk about a product that I use every single day. It will be used in copying data from my camera to my PC, but the middle guy is this dlink 8-in-1 USB-C hub. It's something that I use every single day. It's a pretty basic looking, pretty simple product, but it does a lot for me because it has a lot going on for itself. The main thing, the most important thing is this Gigabit LAN port that it has. If you don't have a LAN port, this is your guy. It works with Type-C. They have another older USB model as well, but it's just brilliant. Gives perfect speeds and results are great. Now, apart from that, you can see two Type-C ports here, USB 3 ports here, not Type-C ports, pardon me. And there's this SD and TF card reader along with that. On the other side, it has that Type-C port that I mentioned earlier by mistake. And then there's this third USB 3 port and an HDMI port. If you want to connect another screen, this is your guy. So it has a lot going on, but it does brilliantly well. We obviously have plenty of paperwork that we will not read, but I've been using it to copy data from my camera to my PC on a regular basis, and it has done really well for me. If you have a C port but you want another one, you still have one on this side, and my camera refuses to focus. See? Literally, see. So it works. If you have filled all your USB ports, it's an extension, more ports, 3 USB 3 ports and 1 USB-C port. That's great. HDMI port, SD card reader, transflash card reader. Along with that, you have Gigabit LAN on this side. This little guy is something that I use every single day. It could be a daily product for you as well.